Today, in fact, we offer our tribute to the passing ruler, the 8th Nizam of Hyderabad. It is like the coming of an era to an end. With a very heavy heart, I came here to Chowmahalla Palace to offer my last respects to him and to have his Didar. It is such an emotional feeling which we all are going to hear. In fact, with the Nizam family, I am indirectly associated, like my younger brother is married to the great granddaughter of Nizam. It is a very, very sad moment for all of us. I pray to Almighty to rest his soul in peace, and I request each one of you to pray for his soul. And tomorrow, in fact, at Makkah Masjid, after Asr prayers, his namaz-e-janaza will take place, and then after that, the tadfeen will be done in the Asr homes here at Makkah Masjid. I request you all to come in large numbers and keep all your shops closed in respect of the departed soul. And to this channel, such a channel